Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It is the hardest working truck in tow business. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, remote engine start, cargo bed light, LED, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.